If you're looking for an easy and super affordable way to help protect the back seats of your Bronco from the kids or the dog, well then you'll want to check out the Ulterum Pet Guard cover that we have here today. Now this cover will feature a very thick water repellent fabric to help keep things a bit cleaner and of course a bit drier, and can be had for around 30 to 40 bucks here on the site. Install is going to be a complete breeze, guys, so figure a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe 5 minutes of your time to complete from start to finish, as we'll show you later in the video. Alright, so full disclosure here, guys, as a parent I can personally attest that my kid and her snacks or drink can certainly wreak havoc on an otherwise clean interior. And factor in a dog who is either ripping it up at a muddy dog park or maybe on the beach, and well, consider your brand new backseat completely trashed. Now for some people, might not be a huge deal, but for us OCD car and truck owners who would like to keep things a bit cleaner, maybe looking nice over the years, well then adding some rear seat protection from the kids, human or otherwise, is certainly never a bad idea. And that's where the Ulterum Pet Guard cover here comes into play. Now this is a universal fit option that will help cover the entire back seat, short of the headrest, with a very thick and very durable black water repellent fabric. Now this will ultimately help prevent those juice spills or mud stains from soaking through the cover and onto your brand new seats. Now in the event that you do get this thing a bit dirty, well, simply yank it out, you can toss it in the washer, and it's good to go. Now I do want to point out that even while yes, this is a universal fit option, I will say the fitment in our 4-door were certainly a little better than expected. I also really like how you have Velcro flaps here for your seatbelt access. It is definitely convenient in that regard. But again, don't take my word for this, guys. Feel free to read up on the many 4- and 5-star reviews here on the Ulterum, so you can hear from other owners how they're actually enjoying this cover in their rigs and what they enjoy most. But now let's quickly segue into the install, and I say quickly because obviously this one's going to be pretty short and sweet. Therefore, soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and again, a few minutes of your time from start to finish. But to give you a better idea of just how this thing goes into place, feel free to check out our detailed walkthrough now.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install our Pet Guard seat cover on our 21 Bronco. Very easy installation. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do, stretch our seat cover out here over top of our seats. We're going to look for the black straps. They are going to go over top of the headrest. We'll do this one. You can also adjust on the side how tight you want it. We're going to put the bottom. You're going to see a white strap. It's going to go underneath the bottom of the seat. Tuck it in behind the seat belt. Now we're going to go over and do the driver's side. Now we're going to take our second black strap, stick it on top of the headliner on the driver's side here. These are adjustable, so you can tighten these up. And our white strap is going to go underneath the seat. We will tuck it in like that, and our seat cover is installed. That wraps up our review and install of our waterproof Pet Guard seat cover for our 21 Bronco. Thank you for watching, and for all things Bronco, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.